Ever wondered how to sell your home for the highest amount possible? Imagine this, a homeowner, let's call her Jane, was in the same predicament. She owned a lovely 3-bedroom house in a prime location, but had no idea how much it could fetch on the market. Enter Hadi Bahadori from HomeSmart Evergreen Realty. Hadi, a seasoned local realtor with a reputation for delivering results, stepped in to transform Jane's uncertainty into a success story. With his high-standard marketing strategies and deep knowledge of the local real estate market, he was able to position Jane's home to attract the right buyers. But it wasn't just about attracting any buyer. Hadi understood that Jane wanted to sell for the highest amount possible, so he used his expertise to highlight the unique features of her home, creating a compelling narrative that made it stand out in a crowded market. The result? Jane sold her home at a price beyond her wildest dreams. It wasn't just about the money, though. It was the peace of mind that came from knowing she had maximized the value of her home. That's the power of working with a realtor like Hadi Bahadori. You might be thinking, how do I know what my home is worth? Well, Hadi has the answer. He offers a free home valuation for all homeowners who are curious about their home's value. No strings attached. So, why not make like Jane and turn your home selling journey into a success story? Reach out to Hadi Bahadori today for a free home valuation, because when it comes to selling your home for the highest amount possible, you want an expert like Hadi on your side.